This is Mr. Hungry. This is my kitchen helper today, Caleb. We're making broccoli and turkey soup. You ready?
Yeah. Broccoli?
Broccoli? What are we going to make with it?
I don't know. A sushi?
Sushi? No. But that's the same sound at the beginning.
Salsa?
No.
Sauce? Kinda.
Soup. Soup! Broccoli soup with turkey, okay?
Okay, I got it.
We gotta wash them first.
Okay.
Oh, that's so, don't. That's so gross. That's all getting cooked and going in the soup anyway. Hey, we don't have a guest over tonight because it's fine. Turkey, frozen from the freezer from leftovers. You want to dump it in there?
Hey, I'm her helper. Very hard.
Okay, throw that in the sink. Not the turkey. Throw the other thing in the sink. And we're going to put it in the microwave to defrost for a bit. Just to get the frosty off enough to be able to cut it into little pieces for our soup. Big broccoli to go in with the onions and cook to get super soft because we blend it up into the cream and milk later. Lid back on, steam it up, turn it down a bit. Little stuff is just to float in the soup later.
Mama.
And let's clean up our messes.
Feet
off the counter.
What?
Feet off the counter.
Huh? Mommy, what are you doing?
Cutting the turkey for the soup.
I love it. What's turkey?
It's frozen. What's turkey? The big bird bigger than a chicken.
And this is how you cut turkey. If you want it for soup, that's how you cut it.
And pour the milk in. Yeah. Cold milk into the hot, soft veggies. That's probably good, buddy. Lift it up. Guess what country we're from with the milk bag? Good job. Set it aside. You're being awfully daring. Keep it on top. When you turn it off, it can go bloop too, sweetie. 2 rounds in the blender with milk.
I'm good slow.
I'm too cheap to buy it out of the blender. When a plate works fine. No, no, leave the plate on.
No, no. And this how we pour turkey. Yeah, scoop it up.
Okay, you can put in the other broccoli too.
And these are full of what we want.
There you go. Okay.
And you look how well.
So we'll just let it simmer for a couple hours and then we'll taste it closer to dinner time, 5:30, 3:30 now. And I usually add some cream or more milk if it's a bit too strong tasting. and serve it with biscuits or flatbread, rolls, and that's our turkey broccoli soup.